Hi, today we will try to learn how we can find case summaries in SPSS. Now let's start with our previous example. In our previous data we have three nominal scale variables and we also computed these variables from the data, and these variables are based on ratio scale. Now let's start to compute case summaries. Go to Analyze, then go to Reports, then Case Summaries. Now in case summaries we have two columns. One is for variables and second is for group variable or variables. For example, if we want to compute the case summaries on the basis of the preference of the capital gain, then we inputted the variable preference of capital gain to the variables column, and we also inputted the marital status to group variable column. We can also set the statistics from here, from this button. Currently we have only number of cases. It means that the results will show only number of the cases, but we can also find the mean on the basis of cases. Press continue. OK. Now check the results of the case summaries. Case processing summary included total number of the frequencies we have 30. It means that our data or our respondents were 30 in this study, and all are included 100%. This is showing that we have included all data. There is nothing excluded from this. Now this table shows the case summaries on the basis of marital status and preference of capital gain. In marital status we have three categories: single, married and widower. In single we have total 8 frequencies. It means that from 30 respondents we have 8 respondents which were single. In married, 19 frequencies. It means that we have 19 out of 30 and here 2. It means that we have 2 out of 30. Second thing is mean. We have 1.1250 as a mean value for the respondents single. Second, married, we have the mean 1.4737. What does it means? In this study we collected the data on the basis of Likert scale. The Likert scale have 5 different options in our questionnaire, where 1 was equals to strongly disagree, 2 was equals to disagree, 3 was neutral, 4 agree and 5 was strongly agree. Let's check the results of the case summaries. In a marital status, single persons or a single respondents were 8 and their mean was 1.1250. Their mean was 1.1250. Now we can conclude that our 8 single respondents were strongly disagree with preference of a capital gain. Now let's check the results for the married respondents. We have total frequencies 19 and mean was 1.4737, which is also nearest to the 1 or 2. It means that we can conclude our married respondents were also disagree with the preference of a capital gain.